everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked cool 1966 Volkswagen Beetle. Beetle Juice, as it's known in the magazines. Man, just a wicked cool car, man. I can't claim to be a Volkswagen expert, guys. I probably owned a dozen of them, you know, while I've been here. But I'm going to tell you right now, I don't care if it's a Beetle or what. This is one of the neatest cars I've ever owned. All professionally built. It's got 2,000 miles on it. I'm going to have to give you all the verbiage in the ad. Because like I say, I can't claim that I'm a Volkswagen expert, that everything that's been done to this car. But man, is it cool, man. Love the color. This is a PPG Ferrari color. Again, I'll put it in the ad. It's got all custom interior. Again, it was all professionally done. I'll make sure that stuff gets in the ad. It's got a hydraulic suspension, which I can lower and raise from a button here. I'll show you. This thing is just wicked cool. And again, it raises and lowers right from a button, man. Let me give you those back. It's all carbon fiber and powder coated. Again, magazine car, 2,000 miles on it. They've updated the headlights. This is all LED stuff. Of course, they've smoothed the front fenders. It's got the Euro side mirrors on it. Beautifully done. It's all Dynamat underneath. I've driven this car for 2 days, guys. You want to talk about something that just drives people nuts? I mean, people have gone crazy. I met my wife for lunch in this thing, and I mean, everybody just thumbs up. It's got all these little bullets all the way around it, which is pretty cool. Sorry, my guys have missed a little wax there. That front windshield, and you'll see it in the pictures. That's I think it's called Safari front windshield that pops out. Again, wicked cool. Oh, everything's all wicked cool mirrors. This is all custom built. And that sun's right on. I don't know if you can see it. These are real carbon fiber. This was built by a company that actually makes prosthetic limbs. All new glass. Again, pop out rear windows. I tried to get you a good picture. It's got some Wazoo radio in it. Again, I'm not a radio guy. But it's that back panel there. It's a custom speaker. It's built to look like a Fender guitar amp. Again, real carbon fiber decklid there. Look at how cool this car is, man. Love the color. All custom stainless exhaust. The whole chassis is custom. Oh, my guys have just missed some wax there, guys, if you're seeing that. The whole suspension is all professionally built. This car's got a 2100cc, all professionally built engine. Matter of fact, it was funny, 17-inch wheels. We were talking to the guy when we were buying it. He said this car will get on the expressway and run 100 miles an hour, and he said he's done it. Matter of fact, he said when he blew by a Porsche at 100, said the guy looked at him like he had two heads. And it's wicked fun to drive. It's fast. All the performance you could possibly ask in a VDub, I'll tell you that right now. 17-inch custom wheels, Wilwood 4-wheel slotted and drilled rotors. And again, everything's powder coated. You see finished, I don't know what you call this, the trunk. It's carbon fiber. I mean, just cool stuff that this guy did. And again, it's all Dynamat underneath here. It's got an inside hood release. Sorry guys if you see that. Just wicked, wicked cool. You can go ahead and shut that, Jordan. Magazine car. Like you say, one of the coolest bugs I think you'll ever see. Get a better look at that rack right there. And you can see how he's just got everything tied in. Again, in the pictures you'll see that front windshield popped out. It is wicked, wicked cool. Couple little touch-up marks there. All custom interior. Again, carbon fiber running boards. Custom buckets. These are reclining. Hopefully you can see that. That is just cool the way they did that in the rear. And it's all piped in red, and the carpet and the mats. Billet rear view mirror. Even the gauges are custom made for this car. They say Beetle Juice. Yeah, Speedhut gauges. They're all functional. Push button start. Again, custom radio. I've got it to power up. It's all Bluetooth and stuff. I love the way he did that. Everything's carbon fiber in here, man. Custom pedals. Custom billet shifter. Again, the kick pads are all, those are speakers, and they're all carbon fiber. Again, it's got a a transaxle. I can't remember exactly what it is. I'll make sure it gets in there, but it's a 4-speed manual transmission. Again, 2110 bubble case, he called this. Everything in here is custom, all professionally built, twin Webers. It's all forged internals, and it rocks. I mean, look at the detail. You can go ahead and shut that, Jordan. Wicked, wicked cool. That's carbon fiber. I love this. Like I say, just cool touches, man. And again, it's got some Wazoo radio in it. I am not a radio guy. I did get it to power up. It's got all kinds of modes to it. No wipers on it. Headlights. Again, it's all push button start. It's all GPS. It says acquiring, but it's just over 2,000, like 2010 or something like that. Again, all custom radio. It does power up. And the parking brake does work. All LED tail lights. Those are Frenched. Man, that car is fun. That car is wicked cool right there. Radio does all power up and everything. Of course, there's no blower motor or anything. Well, we'll talk it. It's got a little security thing on it to start it. Doors open and close real nice. Again, all updated headlights. Those are cool too, man. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Definitely keep track of us on social media, Facebook, Instagram, and then definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You're gonna have to take a second. You got this big old truck coming out here to back up the traffic here. You can do that by clicking the little button next, that little button. That way you can subscribe to our YouTube page. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. Look at that thing, man. Love the color. Wicked cool. I'm 6'2". I fit in there and drive it. Jordy's 6'4", I think. But he's got size 13s. It makes it a little tough for him to drive this. He's not excited about it. What a cool car, man. Traffic backup.